How are you all doing today? Just popping in to do a quick how-to video. This video is more or less just to test out my new camera, see how it's doing. Hopefully it handles it well. So what we're doing today is replacing the taillight lens on a 92 Lincoln Town Car. It's a quick and easy process. Won't take long at all, but just in case you didn't know how to do it, here's how. Alright, let's give this a shot. First thing you're going to do is remove the retainer screw that holds the carpet in place, which goes onto the top post of the head taillight. Just peel that back, and then you're going to find, I don't know how well you can see it, 1, 2, 3 studs that come in from the taillight. You're going to remove the bolts from all those. Okay. You're then going to twist the light fixtures from the taillight assembly. They twist to the left and come right out. Quite simple. Then okay, so now we see the new taillight lens is in place. Had to pull out on this to get the tab back behind it. Fun stuff. The studs are back through the back. Had to sacrifice a couple of these little plastic doohickeys here. They always fail, but they're readily available at the auto parts store, so no big deal. Now, all there is left now is to put the light fixtures back in the taillight assembly and button everything up. Alright, we got the nuts back on the studs. We're just gonna throw these back in, and they just twist and lock into place just like that. Alright, so everything's pretty well buttoned back up. All the nuts are tightened back down on the studs, on the fixtures. There were a total of 5 of them on this side that I had to loosen, and of course the 3 to remove the taillight assembly over there. So now we've reached the end. Last thing to do, sorry doing this all one-handed folks, I'm sure the camera is less than optimal, but so it goes in my videos. You just replace that guy there to hold your carpet back in place, and that's a wrap. So we went from this to this. I call that a vast improvement. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this is informative and helps a person or two to get through this job. It's not a tough job at all. Just got to know the steps. Hopefully I covered them all here. Thanks for watching.